Okay, so this is a 3D printed bicycle component that I made myself. It's nothing too fancy. This is a spacer. Usually you get these, they're just sort of plain cylinders, or sometimes they're conical, and you get a kind of a separate bearing cover and spacer. So I wanted to, for a little project, make an integrated spacer with a bearing cover. So you see here's the bearing cover part. And then it's conical. From the front it's as narrow as it can be, just to make it a tiny bit more aerodynamic, like less frontal area. Also because I just kind of think it looks cool to be, when the bike looks thin from the front and wide from the sides. So this is my bike. This is an aero bike, Svelo S5, so I haven't tried this so far, so this should be quite a snug fit. There we go. So I measured the steer tube with digital calipers, so I can measure that down to about, I don't know, about 100th of a millimeter. Anyway, it's a 1 1/8 inch standard steer tube. And yes, that fits pretty snugly there. Just a little bit of room under here, so the bearings can turn. And then this, which is the stem and holds the handlebars, that should go on top of that. This one, there we go. And that's a pretty good fit. Yeah, you can see the bearing there. It's got a little red shell. And the stem sits on that, and if I've got this properly aligned, then you'll see from the front it's not putting any extra area at all in the wind, just as little as possible. Also looks kind of neat, kind of integrated, sort of. I think it suits the bike pretty well. Okay, so there we go. That's my first 3D printed bicycle component. So I'm going to just tighten all the bolts up now and maybe take it for a ride later today. Okay.